1 racing action continuing here at the Florida Sports Park. Well, remember, it's Swamp Buggy time, October 29th and 30th. SwampBuggy.com's got all the details for you. Instigator and Advanced Auto Parts grinder. Pull to the Advanced Auto Parts starting line, and they are looking for that green. As soon as they get them staged, our officials will get a thumbs up. And here we go. Round 1 racing. Metro PCS round. Advanced Auto Parts grinder and Instigator to the cars. Big lead for the Advanced Auto Parts grinder, John Seastock to the final turn. Let's hear it for your winner, John Seastock in the Advanced Auto